this is a placemat that I made out of a placemat from Dollar Tree and a few bags of the artificial maple leaves. Now I did see something very similar to this at Michael's, and I will show you that here just in a second, and then I will show you how to make it. Hey y'all, I am in Michael's, and I just saw this really cute placemat here made up of all these bunches of leaves. I think it's really pretty cool, but for $7.99, no. So I'm going to see what I can do using all items from the Dollar Tree. Alrighty, so let us get started. Yeah, I know I haven't uploaded anything in a few days. That's because I got hit with a really nasty cold and I lost my voice, but it's back somewhat. But yeah, I was in Michael's looking around and I saw those cute placemats. And if you saw my nails in that part of the video, I was trying out like a zombie nail type look that I had seen online. Excuse me, and I didn't like the way it turned out. So no, I'm not going to be doing a tutorial on those. I'm sorry, I just didn't like them. But anyway, yeah, those mats were pretty much $8, and they were half the size of this. And yeah, you could get them on sale for 40% off, but if you didn't catch them on sale, you know, I don't see paying $8 for something of that size when I can do it myself using Dollar Tree items. So yeah, this is a round placemat from the Dollar Tree. I also have 3 bags of these maple leaves from the Dollar Tree and a hot glue gun and glue sticks. And basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one of these leaves and I'm going to put just a little bit of hot glue on it, just like that. And I'm just going to stick it down to the mat. I want to start on the outer edge here and make sure like the edge of the mat is kind of even with the little indentions here on the leaf, because I don't want the mat to show through. And then I'm just going to go all the way around with leaves just like that, just gluing them down, overlapping them just a little bit. Now, excuse me again, as you can see, like the glue, a little dot of the glue is showing through, but in this bag there are a lot of these really thick burlap type leaves, and I don't believe that the glue is going to show through these. So I'm going to save these for the center. I'll just set those to the side. I want to save those for the center so you won't see any glue coming through. But all that I'm going to do, just stick these down just like that. And yeah, this video is going to be pretty short. I'm just trying to save my voice here. It's hurting me a lot to talk right now. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to go all the way around the edge just like that. And then once that is full, I'm going to come back and I'm going to start a second layer, just gluing these down. You know, just stagger them however you can so that none of this mat shows through. Just like that. So I'm going to go all the way around and I'm just going to fill this in, and then when I get kind of towards the center, I'll come back and we'll see how it looks once I put these thicker leaves down in the middle. But hang on just a minute. Okay, almost done here, and as you can see now I'm just sticking the center ones on, and I did kind of scatter some of the burlap looking ones throughout the whole thing so it doesn't look like when I got to the center here like, oh, she ran out and she just started throwing stuff on there. No. And for the center, I just put like a big pile of glue. I'm just sticking them on there. But there we go. Alrighty. So there we are. I'll get all the little glue strings off of here and everything, and I think that's pretty cute. Yeah, I did use 3 bags. 3 bags of the leaves. And a little bit of hot glue and the mat, and there we are. This would be really cute. Yeah, of course, you know, to go on your table to use an actual placemat, but you know, you could actually trim the mat down and make it smaller and make like a candle mat. If you do that, you know, with the 3 bags of leaves, you're going to get probably 2 smaller ones. Lord, I got stuff glued all over my hands. Look at that. Or, you know, just use maybe 1 bag for a smaller circle if you decide to trim it down. But that's what I've got. So, my throat is starting to hurt now. So, I hope that you enjoyed this rather brief video. If you would, please give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye-bye.